Hi guys, have a look at this. These are just insects, but their level of coordination is very high. Their collaborative skills are extremely high. Imagine and ask yourself a simple question. Why can't people work like this? Why can't we coordinate at times, in most cases, to see that we overcome poverty as a team? And why can't we have the spirit of teamwork always? Look at them. I believe they're not bothered on who will eat, who won't eat, but their main objective is to see that their food reaches home, and then they'll share it as a team. So that is a piece of fish, very heavy, but they have joined efforts to see that they carry it as a team. So imagine if in our schools, in our families, we start teaching children the value of teamwork, collaboration, cooperation, coordination, we shall reach very far. Unity, because now these insects are united to see that they reach a common goal. Today you find that most of us struggle with life simply because of lack of unity. I'm extremely inspired and amazed by the way how these insects can do it. And instead of killing them, I can't also kill them because I'm seeing that they're doing something that so many people can do. Today you find that people want to win alone. We don't want to win as a team. And we don't have this coordination. Yet these were not created in the image of God. We people were created in the image of God. But look at insects that weren't created in the image of God doing what we people who are created in the image of God at times struggle with. Wow, they are taking their meat home. And what an inspiring moment to see them having a great supper. Yes, I'm humbled. And when you watch this video, kindly share your opinion. Don't also forget to share it with your kids and tell them to tell you what do they observe, what do they learn from such an incidence of insects. Unity. This is one of the things that at least we should teach our children in schools, in our communities, in our homes, in our societies, how to work as a team. We can't win poverty or we can't win any situation if we haven't learned how to work as a team. Teamwork is the key. And if you're also new here, don't forget to like and subscribe and also share your opinion. As an individual, I'm inspired by these insects. They don't have any degree, no diploma, no masters. But one thing that they know is that with teamwork, they'll all get what to eat. Imagine if the coordination that we see them put in what they're doing is the same coordination that we also put in everything that we do. How would we be right now? Look at some of them are making the way, others have been providing security, and by now, most of them are no longer here. And some have gone back like this one. It is going back to see whether there is more food so that others can also join. I believe the light is carrying it, but I'm humbled. I don't know whether this humbles you. Look at them. Look at them. They're enjoying their meal and they're going to eat it as a team, as a family, and most of them are going to be satisfied simply because they value working as a team compared to the way how people today are. So what comes in your mind when you see such? Personally, as an individual, I'm inspired, and there is a lot for us to learn as human beings from such. Share your opinion in the comment section. What have you learned? What have you observed? And what is your take home? Personally, my take home is teamwork, cooperation, coordination, unity. Look at them. It simply means if we work as a team, we will all eat. But if we fight each other, you won't eat. Thank you very much for watching Teachers TV Africa. I'm Teacher Peter Okwari. Thank you.